Imagine a neighborhood where homes don't just use power, they share it. Where your car fuels more than movement. It powers your community. In the heart of Southern California, one neighborhood isn't imagining this future. They're already building it. Welcome to Menifee. Here, an energy revolution is quietly underway, setting a bold blueprint for energy freedom. At its core, Quasar 2, Wallbox's next-gen home energy solution, powered by a bidirectional charger. This isn't just a charger install. Quasar 2 is about to turn this garage into the brain of a home energy ecosystem. With the breaker upgrade now complete, the team is finalizing the install, ready to bring Quasar 2's vision to life. With 12 kilowatts of bidirectional charging, this EV charger doesn't just feed the car, it powers the house. Solar from the roof, battery storage in the car, power flowing between home and vehicle seamlessly. That Kia EV9, it's now a rolling power station for the home. A closed loop of clean energy, controlled by one sleek box on the wall and the My Wallbox app in hand. For families here in Menifee, it's not about having the latest gadget. It's about taking control of power, bills, and peace of mind.
This collaboration between Wallbox, Kia, and UC Irvine brings years of research and innovation to the real world. Together, we're not just building smart homes, we're building smart communities.
The future of smart energy starts at home, and in Menifee, it's already here.